Hello, yes, this is Matt Dugan here. I'm going to show you how I usually make a little bit of a sort of a cough drop tea, so to say. You can of course take your cough drop, but then again, most people don't like the taste of it sitting in their mouth for too long. Well, it depends on what you're into in terms of flavor, but I never really care for that. However, I find it soothing to use some nice, it's one of my favorite forms of cough drop, nice soothing one here, cherry flavored. You don't have to be cherry flavored, but whichever one you prefer, whatever brand you prefer. This is my favorite. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. One sec. I'm just going to open it up. Open it up. I'm so slow with this. Okay, one sec. Here we are. Here is the cough drop. I always look for the P. Just drop it in here, and you simply just drop it in a bottle with water, and you could let it sit there, or you could I just sorted that up, but hold on just a second. I have another one right here that I can use. Just hold on a second there, folks. I have another one right here that I am going to Eureka, here it is. Love this one. Yeah, I'm going to Come on. Bugger, blurry. Here it is. Like I said, my favorite type. Cherry flavored. Tasting. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw the cap on, and screw the cap on tight on the top. And I know this is not perfect, but it suffices. Some people prefer to warm it up in the microwave. I just like to do it like this typically. And notice how the water has become somewhat more red. If I hold it under the light for you, it is somewhat more red. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it's a little sparkles in there. See? It's good. Nice little we have a taste of this nice tea here. Oh, you can really taste the cherry. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's a wonderful brew. Well, when I say brew, it's it's a cough drop thing, but still, I recommend this for anybody who doesn't have the time to make a lot of tea from their cough drops, or if they just want to, minimize the negative flavor of it. This is a great way to do it, diluting with water. Make it go down smooth. So, anyway, I hope this was of use to you folks, and you enjoy it. This is Matt Dugan saying peace out, and good luck to you.